Here I have a 55-inch Philips frameless TV. So the frameless TV is different than the existing in market, the TV with the frame. So TV with the frame, we can open the frame and remove the LCD. But the frameless, the LCD is pasted by using a special double tape. So here the TV problem is the backlight failure. So I already replaced the backlight. The LCD is here. So to take out the LCD, I use card. So I using this card, just put from the bottom, cut the existing glue. So this is the existing glue already cut. So the tape used is a special tape. It's a cushion tape and it come in different sizes. Like the one that I have here is 5 mm. And then previously I replaced for the Hisense TVs using 4 mm. So the tape is also available in 3 mm and 6 mm also. So depend on TV. So different TV will be using different width of the tape. So here the tape is a soft and it's thick. Stick is it has a glue. It has a glue on both sides. A double side, but it's a special double side for the LCD TV, frameless type, LED TV, frameless type. So now I have changed the backlight. So now before I want to put back the LCD, so I apply the glue, the double tape from here up to here. So here on this corner, I made some excess tape here because once I put the LCD, so I just drag from here down to the bottom here, and then here I leave some gap, and then on the corner here I put some excess tape. So once that side I already paste, so I'll take the I'll start from here to take the top side of the tape up to that corner. So the right and top will be pasted. So next here I put some gap. Okay, here I put some gap, just a slight gap. And then here I put some excess tape. So the last corner will be here. So start from here up to here. So once all the three side tape is removed, we just press the LCD to make sure that the LCD is pasted properly to the double tape. Then you can start to put back everything. So for the for this TV, one of the difficult part is to removing the glue. So by using this card on the early stage, when we cut the glue, make sure all the excess glue is removed, especially here and also at the bottom of the LCD. Because once we cut the glue will remain here. So if the glue is not properly clean and we put back the LCD, so the LCD won't paste properly. So need to clean up the glue under here and also at the frame. So to clean up the glue, can use something like this. Just put underneath, because LCD, if take much higher, it will crack. Easy to crack. So just take slightly, put something, and then by using finger, just slowly push the glue. And then once the glue come out a bit, slowly try to pull the glue, and it needs lots of patience. In slightly just using finger, then pull the glue until all the LCD corner is clean up. So make sure everything is clean up before putting the LCD. And for this TV, that's all.